What's up, guys? This video, Basic Logo Design with Canva in 10 minutes, is made with Canva for beginners. In this video, some of the used Canva tools are premium. If you don't have a Canva premium version, nothing to worry about it. You can also design a good logo using Canva free tools of Canva free version. In this video, some of the clips are with 2x speed. If you need better experience, you can adjust the video playback speed from settings. Hope you guys will enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and share. Also subscribe and tap the bell icon for don't miss any update. Without any more interruptions, let's go. Step 01. Make a simple note about logo. Full details of the logo, title, subtitle, title-related elements, subtitle-related element, title-based design. Step 02. Create a design page of a logo within 500 width and 500 height pixels, or you can also create a custom design page for your required size. Step 03. Make your design page better for easy designing by clicking on File and Show Rulers, Guides, Margins, Print Bleed. Step 04. Add another design page and search for a good suggestive logo template that's suitable with your concept. Drag your selected template to your extra design page. Make sure that you don't copy that concept of the selected template. Step 05. Add another design page and find out some best elements for your title and subtitle. Drag your selected elements to your extra design page. For betterment, take a look on your logo note. Step 06. Now go to the first design page and place your best selected title-related elements at the center and according to your requirements perfectly position, angle and color it. Same for the subtitle-related elements, but place your best selected subtitle-related elements at the bottom of the center. Step 07. Add title at the top of the center. Make sure that you're using perfect font with perfect font size and according to your requirements perfectly position, curve and color it. Also add subtitle in the same way but at the bottom of the center. Step 08. Now reposition your full design. Make sure that your elements are perfectly positioned, angled and colored. Also confirm that your title and subtitle are perfectly positioned, curved and colored. Step 09. After finishing the design, the most important part is revision. We all know that maximum of the social media show circle shape logo, so we need to confirm that our logo contents are inside the circle shape perfectly. For that you need to use a circle shape from elements and drag it to your design page. Now change the color and lower the transparency of the circle shape for good view, and now position it perfectly. After the full revision, remove the circle shape element from your design and also remove rulers, guides, margins, print bleed by clicking on File. Step 10. Now add a perfect background that's suitable with your design. Choose a specific gradient from elements with good color and drag it to your design and position it perfectly. Take another look at your logo note for one more revision. After completing revision, download your design according to your required format or Canva suggested format. Before downloading, delete extra pages and make sure you add a heading for your design to find easily at your device after the download. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, suggestions or appreciation, please comment below. If you love the video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Also subscribe and tap the bell icon for don't miss any update. See you soon guys in the next video.